We can buy Chinese Napa cabbage in any supermarkets. It can be cooked easily and quickly. It has a softer taste. Here are the ingredients for 2 people. You can find this list and other recipes on my website, cookingwithmorgane.com. Cut the Chinese cabbage into chunks. Cut the carrot into thin slices. Crush the garlic clove. Peel it, chop it. Dilute the cornstarch with 2 tablespoons of water. Now we can start cooking. Put 1 tablespoon of oil in a pan over high heat. When the oil is hot, put the chopped garlic. Stir for 10 seconds. Put the carrots. Stir for 10 seconds. Add the Chinese cabbage, the salt, the oyster sauce. Stir from time to time for 3 minutes. Put a lid. Mix again the diluted cornstarch. Add the cornstarch and stir for 15 seconds. Then cut the fire. The stir-fried Chinese cabbage is ready. Bon appétit! Thank you for watching and sharing my video. See you at the next homemade dish.